Hi everybody, I'm Bianca from Laerskool Louis Leipoldt and I'm a coding and robotics teacher. I've been teaching coding and robotics for 5 years now and it's absolutely fantastic. My passion for coding and robotics started the instant I opened up that robotics kit and started building everything. It immediately lit a spark in my brain that was like, I need to teach these learners everything about coding and robotics because it's such a fantastic subject. It teaches the learners problem-solving skills, critical thinking. Group work is such an important aspect of coding and robotics.
I like Robotica. We work as a team. I think it's fun for me.
My day-to-day in the robotics classroom starts off with the learners walking in, signing in with the QR codes, and doing the typing game first. Then we move on to the lessons where they watch the day's lesson video. We then do the workbook. The PDF annotations is absolutely fantastic for them to do it, and it saves as well, so it's on their platform the whole time. We move on to the questionnaire where we can see if they remembered all the knowledge that they just gained. Going to the environments, doing the coding on MakeCode. We then move on to practical in the classroom where we work with the printer spots, the automation houses, and also the hand sanitizer project. We've competed in competitions such as Pretoria East Robotics League, Resolute Roboticon on a national stage. Entering your schools into the Roboticons and all the competitions open up so much doors for them. Don't stress, you're never alone in the robotics field. When you go to competitions and when you are doing trainings, you're collaborating with other teachers that have the same passion as you, and you can bounce off ideas from each other and just learn a lot. If you're still wondering whether or not to implement coding and robotics in your classroom, don't stress. Resolute is your #1 stop shop for all your coding and robotics needs.